Let's bake a cake for my kids. This is 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, margarine. I'll be using 1.5 margarine, buttermilk. In case you want a video on how to make your own buttermilk, let me know. I'll be dropping a video on that. This is vanilla extract, baking powder. This is my salt. Okay, add a little salt to it. I'm going to be mixing my butter with my whisk this time around. I just love experimenting and try to see different results when I do something. While using your whisk, make sure you keep turning the butter until it doubles in size and the color changes. As you can see, the color changed before I added the egg. For you to know if you're getting it right, your butter must double in size and must change color and also become more fluffy than it used to be. Mixing, you have to make sure you don't overmix it so that it does not separate, so that the butter does not separate. Now I am adding my vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon to this mixture. At this point, you can now add your flour. While adding it, you have to add it bit by bit, mix it bit by bit so that it will mix very well. Everything will incorporate very well without leaving lump. This is where your buttercream comes in play. You add half of the buttercream so that it will enable you mix the batter properly. Remember, as you mix this, don't overmix it. Okay, you just have to be gentle with it so that you don't activate the gluten in it. Okay, before your cake becomes so strong. So right here, I'm adding the remaining portion of flour and the remaining buttercream to the batter. Please let me say this again. You don't need to mix it for a long period of time or so fast or so hard. You just have to be very gentle so that you don't overmix. There's a reason for that, okay? You wouldn't want your hard work to go to waste after baking and you realize that the cake is very strong like a rock. You wouldn't want that. So when you mix, be gentle. Okay, so right here I'm portioning the batter into different pan. Okay, I used an 8-inch pan and a 6-inch pan right here. The reason why I'm heating the pan this way is so that there won't be much bubbles stuck in the cake. I'm baking this cake with my air fryer. Yes, you can bake a delicious cake with an air fryer. So what you have to do is you preheat your oven beforehand. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees C for 5 minutes. Then when the oven must have heated, you now reset to 160 degrees C for 30 minutes. After the first 30 minutes elapses, you need to reset it again for another 30 minutes in order for it to bake perfectly and properly, okay, so that you'll be able to get a well baked cake. So what I'm doing right here with the toothpick is to check if the cake is properly baked. So what you do is you dip your toothpick in and bring it out. Okay, if it comes out clean without anything on it, know that your cake is baked. But if it comes out with something on it, know that it's not properly baked. So right, this one is already baked, completely baked and ready to be eaten. So for the remaining one in the smaller pan, I decided to add a browning color in order to change the color off camera, and I forgot to show you guys how I did that. Okay, all I did was add browning to it and it changed the color. If you like this video and you want to be seeing this and other helpful videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.